Hey guys, Scott here with another video. Today I want to chat about branding. We've heard so much that branding and building your own brand is so important. Well, today I'm going to share in this video why branding is important and how to do it effectively right here on YouTube. All right, so let's chat about some brands for a quick minute. So cool brands that stand out to me are brands like the North Face. It seems like quality brand and very cool. Kind of has to do with, snowboarding, kind of outdoorsy mountain stuff. That's what I think. Another brand is Ray-Bans. I think of premium sunglasses, quality, cool looking, etc. So that's kind of like the branding with like cool logos and apparel. Well, let's chat about. Let's chat about another one. Let's chat about restaurants. So McDonald's, they have the M, and the big golden arches, right? Everybody knows McDonald's. They think of cheap hamburgers and yellow and red, and maybe Happy Meals growing up, that kind of thing, right? So like kind of just happy overall branding, okay? And then let's chat about some like public figures, okay? So think about Trump, our current president, Donald Trump, right? Everyone's gonna have their opinions about him, and so that's a personal brand. Let's chat about someone about Gary Vee, because he's known for his work ethic. He's known for his just ability to say things that are on his mind and does not mince words at all. Okay, so like here's all these things, right? Like I think of North Face is this certain brand. I think of it as cool. I think there's certain stores out there like McDonald's or Amazon, like certain things, like they just stick in your mind, like that's what you remember. And then there's like these personal people, and so why am I talking about this? Well, I want to chat about why it's important that every one of these brands are the way they are. So the biggest thing is that I'm remembering things about every one of these brands, their businesses, their entities, and they all have their unique thing about them. And why did they done this? To help me remember, to help me know what they're like. And so remembering and bringing that to my attention has worked for all these brands, okay? So I would say that is the foundation of a brand, and why you want to create a brand is to help people remember. And how do we do that? Well, we get their attention. And the purpose of creating this video is because I've heard so many people create a brand. Well, why, and how? Like, so when this is me, okay? So if you're anything like me, when I hear people saying create a brand, I think to create a logo, and it's got to be a cool logo or something simple, something modern right now, and then I kind of plaster it everywhere. In fact, when I was younger, I loved creating logos. In fact, I still do like creating logos, and I thought it was cool to create stickers and like tag the stickers everywhere and think like, oh yeah, that's my brand, like that's something that I created, and like, look at my creativity and my artwork, it's plastered everywhere. So yeah, that's cool, but what does it give to people? McDonald's, it gives burgers, okay? North Face, quality jackets. I absolutely love my jacket. Oh, here's a brand that's super quality in my mind, is Lululemon. Like, people love their designs, they love the way they feel. People pay a premium for that brand. I mean, it's more geared towards women, but even men. Like, I have Lululemon shorts on right now, and I love them. They're very comfortable, and it comes with the price tag, but that's okay. Apple computers, oh my goodness, huge brand. Why are they so successful? Is because they have created this quality premium product. They're providing so much value, and I'm willing to pay more for an Apple computer. I love their design, they're cool looking, and their quality. And so why am I sharing all these examples? Is to help you understand where you're at. Because if you're new to YouTube and you want to create a YouTube channel, or you're trying to create an online business, guys, this information can help you as you're trying to create a YouTube channel, as you're trying to do affiliate marketing or create an online business, okay? This will help for you. So now that I've explained the framework, let's chat about what you need to do now, okay? So now you've got yourself and you're like, okay, I've been learning about entrepreneurship. I've been learning about YouTube. I've been learning that I can make money online and specifically with YouTube. And if you've followed a lot of things that I've been teaching, it's you can make money doing affiliate marketing on YouTube. Okay, I've really niched down. So you're thinking, okay, well, do I need to create some cool, unique name like affiliate marketing on YouTube.com or something like that? You know, no, you don't. And Nathan Lucas from Freedom Influencer, he has an awesome YouTube channel. Here is his channel. So a little mad props to him that he inspired me. But in one of his videos, he chatted about branding, and this is what really came true to my mind. Okay, so all these brands, what do? They're helping you remember, paint a picture. And so you need to do something to remember. Well, how are you going to do that being on YouTube? Content. The more you're on YouTube, the more people are going to remember you. And yes, you can create kind of a cool brand. So like Nathan Lucas does that. He's like all about, freedom influencer. So at the beginning of his video, it's like him having all this freedom in the world, where he's just jumping in pools and having fun. So he kind of does that. But what is it that makes me want to watch him? Well, it's not he just posted one video. He's posting every day, almost every day. And so he's getting out there. He's helping me remember. And the more and more videos I watch of his, the more I trust him. And that's the key right there. Is that, I have seen the North Face brand my whole life. And it's not until like the last few years that I finally bought one of their jackets. And I love wearing their jacket. Same with Lululemon. Like, I always thought it was like a girly brand. Didn't really care, but it just came up as like the premium quality, blah, blah, blah. I see other guys wearing the clothes. I'm like, what the heck? And sure enough, the more and more, then I finally, okay, here's my money. And so what do you need to do now, okay? You need to get on camera. You don't need to worry about like a fancy logo, because that logo really, yeah, maybe that adds a little bit to it, but I don't want to overcomplicate this process. I want to make this simple. So why am I going on this huge rant? It's because I'm trying to simplify and just tell you that the greatest thing that you can do is just to jump on YouTube, get in front of the camera, and shoot a video. And then do it again, and do it again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Why? Because that's going to help people remember who you are. They're going to be like, oh yeah, Scott, the affiliate marketing guy. Here he is. I mentioned something about, had an opinion about every one of these brands I talked about, whether it's the clothing brand, the retail store, or these individuals. And that opinion is where you need to figure out what people are going to be saying about you. So are you going to be known as the guy that guides them in the right direction of doing this and that? So yeah, you really need to figure out what your value is, okay? So there's two parts to this video, and I've made this video probably too long, but I hope that I explain things clearly. So you need to create content, consistent. Why? Because people need to remember, okay? So that's this side of the equation. The other side of the equation is that you've got to provide value, because if you're not providing something that people like and can trust, then they're going to think of you as a bad brand. Like, there are bad brands out there today, and they still might remember you because you're just busting out content. And that's probably better than nothing, because you've got something going. People are going to be like, wait, what's up with this guy? Like, maybe think of a brand you don't like. Well, they're still in your mind, and certain people do like them. So get out there, create, and don't worry about that fancy logo and the fancy website name and all that stuff. Like, just get stuff out there and then people will like you. Like if you're doing YouTube and you're trying to do affiliate marketing on YouTube, well, I'm pretty sure that your face is going to be on there. And so I would just start out with your personal name. I mean, you can do whatever you want. That's the beauty of creating our businesses. You can be creative. But if you're stuck and hung up like, everybody's telling me to create a brand, like I don't know which brand to create, well, don't worry about that. Just get a name, whether it's your personal name or it's some generic thing, and just start creating content, and don't worry about that, and then just get it out there. And then don't just create anything, but create something that people will like and it will add value. Why? Because they're gonna like it and they're gonna want more. And then when they see more and more, and they see you and your name gets out there, people will then be like, Scott, here's my money. Like, don't expect you're going to create one YouTube video about an affiliate marketing product and say, hey guys, this product is awesome. It costs $1,000 or it costs $5,000 or $10,000. Buy it now. You think people are just going to pay you right then and there? Maybe a few, but maybe not at all. And maybe there's a lot. But what I'm going to say, if they just saw you the first time, they probably won't. They need to see you more and more and more and more and more and more. You know, if they see you having great results and they see you doing this and that and teaching them and providing value and being a mentor and like, oh my goodness, this guy, and you know, I like him, I trust him, he's someone that I think that I can, you know, align my interests with his, and I can be like this guy, I can follow his footsteps, I can do what he's doing. So what is he doing? Oh, he has this product that he's promoting. Okay, well, I'm gonna buy it. I'm going to learn from it, and I'm going to implement the things that he's teaching, and then voila. Okay? And then that is where you've got a brand. It's just like me. I always saw those cool North Face jackets, you know. It's premium. Someday when I get it, you know, when I see more and more people wearing it, I'm like, oh, that's cool. That's super cool. Well, bam, I then buy one. So more and more people will start finding this YouTube channel and think it's cool. Like, oh, I saw that guy a year ago. And now, like, he's got a big following and more people are commenting and blah, blah, blah. So that is how and why you need to create a brand right here on YouTube. And don't think of it as like a fancy logo, because that's not it, okay? Once again, just create content and add value. That's it. That's the formula. Create value consistently and you have a brand. And you'll be successful. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and comment if you have any questions or comments about this simple strategy, simple formula for creating a brand. All right, you guys, so have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.